we are trying to compare the volume of water that each of the tipping buckets collected through a burette. The standard is a delta T tipping bucket. So we are using that as a secondary standard. So the tipping has been recorded. I want to record the amount of water.
11.2 ml.
For the standard is equal to 11.2 ml. That is the volume per tip. No, it's okay. It's 11.2 ml. Just per one tip. Per one tip. The standard is 11.2 ml per tip. Just one tip. We want to compare with one tip from the constructed tipping bucket. So we are replacing it with the constructed tipping bucket. As can be seen, even from the physical side, it's very small. It's smaller than the standard. Please, I put this there. So we want to record the amount of water in ml that the cup we collect. So we have the constructed tipping bucket. The tipping bucket we have so it's dripping into it. So we have a tip and we will record the amount in ml. So the amount of water, the volume of water is 3.6 ml per tip. So we want to try and calculate the percentage of the constructed over the standard. So we have three. So we want to calculate the percentage of the constructed tipping bucket over the. So we have 3.6 over 11.2. They are both in ml times 100 over 1 percentage. So we will calculate that. So we try and calculate that. So where is the accessory? It's a calculator. So we have that 3.6. We have 3.6 divided by 11.2. We are multiply by 100 to convert to percentage. Enter. So we have that's 32.14%. So we have the percentage of the constructed over the standard is 32.14. So this is telling us that we have a smaller volume of water. So we have a percentage of 30.14% over the standard. So, and if we subtract, the percentage is at 32.14. If we subtract the 11.2 from 3.6. So 11.2 ml minus 3.6 ml. So we have, what is that? So let's see. 11.6 minus 3.6. So we have 8.0. 8.0. It should be 8 points. Cancel that. We have 11.6, 11.2, 11.2, subtract 3.6. We have 7.6 ml. We can see the amount the standard has more volume of 7.6 ml than the standard than the constructed. From this we can see that we have a smaller volume of we'll be able to construct a smaller volume, less than about 32.4% of the delta T tipping bucket, and that's almost about 7.6 milliliter greater than the constructed. Okay, if we look at the ratio, we have if you want to look at the ratio, we have 11.2 ml into a ratio 3.6 ml, and that is what is that? This is 2. What? That is 3 to what? So 3 to 1. So we have a ratio of 1 to 3. That means we have a ratio of 1 to 3. And the constructed has a ratio of 1 to 3 in terms of the ratio. And what all these are transited to is that we can actually measure traces, rain traces, because the constructed tipping bucket has a better resolution than the delta T tipping bucket. Thank you very much. So you can stop.